Hey friends, welcome back and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. Today I have 4 Neutral Fall Farmhouse Decor DIYs for you. So I really love how all of these came out, and I hope that you enjoy it too and hope you get some inspiration. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. So let's jump right in.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better.
For my first DIY, I am using this square vase container. It's plastic from Dollar Tree. Then I'm going to give it about 2 coats of white chalk paint. Then I'm going to go ahead and take these fashion gems from Dollar Tree and start to align them up on the bottom and the top. So I just went all the way around on the bottom and top. I did 2 rows on the top of the vase. With this one, for the gems, these gems, I think you have to use, I used 4 4 rows to go all the way around. Then I'm using my Warm Buff acrylic paint, and I'm just going to go ahead and take a chunky brush and start painting the gems around. I don't do it as carefully to not get it on the actual vase or vase, however you want to pronounce it. I just keep going around because I'm looking for just a different kind of like a plaster kind of look. This is what it looks like once I'm complete. I really love how this looks. But I'm going to go ahead and take this gather word. I got this off of a sheet of rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree. Going to place that in the upper middle part of this vase and just rub it on there with my finger. I did a pin, I think, as well, just to make sure it stayed on there. And then just did like a cute little like floral thing stem. Yeah, floral stem. And this is what it looks like. I really love it. I darkened the gather word because it was just too light compared to the freehand drawing that I did below. And I really love how this turned out. And I just put some cotton stems with some pine cones in there. I got all of these from Dollar Tree. Second DIY, I am taking this tray I actually got from Kroger, some nautical rope, and some beads. This tray actually only cost me 59 cents, guys. It's because it was a Easter tray, so yeah, it was on sale. Got a bunch of them. Now I'm just going to go ahead and go in the center and start just wrapping this nautical rope around. I actually was pretty off-center. Didn't realize how off-center I was, but I was off-center. But I still made it work. And I used 2 packs of these 9-foot nautical rope, just going round and around and around until I got to the edges. This is what it looks like complete. I actually kind of stacked 1 row on top of the one that's underneath the lip of this tray, and then instead of painting on the bottom or the side, I just did another row of nautical rope and hot glued that to the edge. And then I want to go ahead and take all of these beads. These are the biggest beads that I have in my pack. I got this pack from Amazon, and I'm just placing that all around the perimeter, just hot gluing it down, giving it a good generous amount of hot glue by like putting hot glue in the hole first and then letting it kind of seep out. That's the best way that I felt putting beads on to have them stay. Then I have a bunch of these leaves. These are actually from Dollar Tree last year. I just have like a bunch in my stash, and I just wanted to give this some contrast of color, and I just hot glued them down to one side of this tray. I absolutely love this, especially when you dress it up with some pumpkins, a white vase to contrast that color a little bit more, and a candle. I love this. Today's video was super fun to make. make. I really hope you enjoy it. If you're new here, my name is Amber Michawn and I do weekly DIYs, hauls, and other fun things. So if you love to craft on a budget and home decor on a budget, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell next to it so you don't miss an upload. If you're not new, hey doll, hey. All right, let's jump right back in. Next up, I'm taking these new houses from Dollar Tree. I mean, they're not new if you were able to get them last year. I wasn't, so they're new to me. But I am taking two of the short wide ones and one of the middle size slimmer one. They have 4 different sizes. But what I'm going to do is tape off the center frame, or tape off the frame and just paint the center of it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use my white chalk paint and give it a nice thick layer of paint. Then after they're all dry, I just removed that tape. I had some kind of bleeding through and I just kind of wiped it with my finger and it worked. Next, I'm taking these word decals, these wall decals. This one has Gather, Thankful, and Bless. I'm just using Gather and Thankful. I thought it would be really cool just to do 2 houses with the words on it. And then I'm figuring out what I'm going to do with the middle one. So I'm using a combination of E6000 and hot glue to bring these houses all together so they're a cute little one-piece set for decor. I really love it the way that it is, but I'm a bead and tassel lady, so I have to do something else. I got this yarn from Walmart. It was actually only $1.17. It's this Peaches and Cream brand, and it's like these fall colors are really, really nice. It has like just different like streaks of like oranges, blues, and stuff like that. Anyways, I made some bead like strings, hot glued those to the side at the top where the Grateful and Thankful were, hot glued a bead to the middle house at the top, and then hot glued 2 tassels, one with a bead underneath that bead. And I love this. This might be my favorite in this whole piece that I have going on. And I love this. It's so cute. Final and probably easiest DIY this video, I am taking 3 of these books. I planned on doing something different with them because I love the colors of them, but these actually are working great for what I need them for. So I'm not going to paint these. I was very intentional when I got these books a while back to make sure I got all the inserts or all the covers that were white when you flip them over. So that's basically what I did, and I just re-seamed them down. So I just matched up to where they were already seamed to get the opposite seam. And I really like these because the color of the books itself are nice fall colors. They're like orange and red and blue. So I really, really like that. Next, I took these letter stickers. These are new font from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and place my words on here. It's going to be sweater weather, please, because I'm so ready for fall. I'm over this heat, y'all. How about you? Then I took some burlap and went ahead and made a bow above this. I absolutely love it, and that is it for this one. Easy peasy for real. I love this, you guys. I dressed this up with some greenery, some eucalyptus, and a brown pumpkin, and it's so, so cute. I love this. I love all of these DIYs, you guys. Dolls, that is it for these neutral fall DIYs. I really hope you enjoyed this just as much as I did, and leave me a comment below letting me know which one's your favorites. Remember, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.